Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Jura 35 rucksack from Karrimor. Now, quality wise, the fabric is, I'm quite impressed with it. There are a couple of things that I don't like about it, but other than that, it's not a bad rucksack for the size. It comes in 3 different colours. You get black, blue and olive green. It also comes with a rain cover, which is free with the bag, which is a big upsell for me. I like that it comes with a rain cover. The price for this is £22, and you can get that from Sports Direct. Now this is what it looks like when it is packed with a bit of kit. It's not got much in, to be honest, a sleeping bag and that. You can get more stuff in it, but I've just thrown it all in together today so you can see what it actually looks like. Alright, let's start having a look at it. Now the clips on it are quite small, and I don't know how robust they are, but they're not that bad. I'd like to have bigger ones. They look quite flimsy, but they'll do. So first I'll take out all the stuff I've got in it. Alright, so there you have it. So we'll start with the top pocket. On the top you have a zip at the back, which you've got quite a bit of space in here to put stuff. I've got a bit of cons cord in there and a cutter for cutting branches. And then inside that you have the main compartment. The main compartment actually you can split it up into 2 different compartments. There is a internal zip around here that you can zip up, so you can have this top section and then the bottom section. And to gain entry to the bottom section, there is just a zip here which unzips that. And this is your bottom section, which zips up about here, so you've got all this at the bottom to put your shoes in if you need to. The main compartment itself is quite big. It's a 35 litre bag in total. You can fit your camelback inside, just in that part. It also has a little hole here, so it's all ready for your camelback. Then you've got your 2 side pockets, which are quite deep, and then on the back you have a wind tunnel here, basically so it stops, well, lets cold air get to your back so you don't sweat as much. The fabric on the back is quite soft as well. You have your clips for your chest, and then you have your clips for your waist, just to help to support it. Now underneath, in a little compartment at the bottom, is where your rain cover is, and that's your rain cover, elasticated. I'm quite happy that it's come with a rain cover, as I've already said. Over there for the time being. Now you might be thinking it is quite small, but it'll fit everything I need in it for the time being. The only thing I can't get in it is my actual tent, which which I'm going to try and attach it from the outside on the front and then strap bungees around it to actually connect it to the bag. That's the only downfall to this bag. Oh, another thing actually, I wanted to put my my tent on top so it would fit there, and then this would slot over it, but there's just not enough elastication in the side part to allow me to do that. I'd end up losing quite a lot of space in it just to get it on. But apart from that, it's not a bad bag for the price and for what I'm going to be using it for, which is obviously 1 or 2 day while camping. It's brilliant. If you're going any longer than 2 days, I wouldn't recommend this bag. But obviously if it's just for hiking purposes and spending a night or 2 nights out, then you can fit everything you need in it. Obviously when your rain cover is over it, you can store stuff behind your rain cover and that'll keep it inside, like your bomber jacket and that if you wanted. Apart from that, that is about it with the Karrimor 35 litre bag, the Jura. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and look forward to all the other upcoming videos I do. Thanks!